Pectus Warriors, it's Riley Byrne, and in today's video I wanted to talk about some key chest exercises that you guys can do that I have done personally to improve your case and that have improved my case and my clients' cases of pectus. So basically these exercises, I'm just going to show you a technique video running you through form so you guys can do them properly, because it's not just about the exercises, it's about how you do them. You can get given the greatest program in the world, but if you do not execute each exercise properly, then you will not get the bang for your buck. You need to stimulate the chest, you need to do it properly. So there are going to be some technique videos showing you how to do some of my favorite exercises for Pectus Excavatum. Now these videos are technique videos that I shot basically over a year ago for my app, which is what my clients get access to. So you get access to an app to follow all my workouts with video tutorials of me showing you how to do every workout. So if you guys are interested in transforming your pectus and you want a proper program, you can sign up for my coaching or the Pectus Transformation Project. Links will be in description, and then you get access to these video tutorials with all different video tutorials. There's over like 80 different exercises that I have of me showing you how to do everything. But anyway, in today's video, I'm just going to narrow it down to some key chest exercises and give it to you guys for free. So hopefully you can apply it to your training. And yeah, enjoy. And yeah, enjoy the video. Hopefully it's helpful. Thanks, guys.
Okay, here we have the one arm crossbody hammer strength chest press. So sit the crossways on the seat so that you're in the position that I'm in here. Then I like to sometimes touch my chest so I can actually feel the muscle fibers recruiting across, because the aim of this chest is actually hit the muscle fibers in your inner chest, in and around the pectus indent, because sitting crossways and then pressing across our body like that is great for targeting those specific fibers. So we really want a solid mind to muscle connection on this. Slow it down and feel those fibers recruit. Like look at my chest now, see the recruitment and the striation in the inner chest fibers right around the indent. That's the goal for this. This is a great pectus exercise and a great exercise for building your inner chest. Slow it down, keep those elbows tight as you press through to engage the chest more, and enjoy the gains. This is the decline barbell bench press. So you want to be getting in a decline chair, hook your knees in the little pads like you saw me doing there, and then lie back. And then it's the exact same. Retract your scapula. You see me do that little motion where I pull my shoulder blades back just before. That's what you want to do. That's what you do on incline. That's what you do on flat. That's what you do on any kind of bench press. And then bring the weight down just to your nipple line and press up, keeping your wrist strong like all bench pressing movements, and also keeping a slight arch in your back, not having a flat back on the bench like all bench pressing movements. And the decline position itself is actually going to hit your lower pec more, which is great for pectus because it helps make the pec pop from the rib flare and build up around the indentation as well. And also for decline, I like to go a slightly wider grip, which puts a better stretch on the chest, which will make you feel the blood more, get a better pump, and better chest muscle recruitment as well. That's decline, guys. The landmine press. This is one of my favorite pectus exercises. So see that grip I made with my hands? That's the grip. So just grab the end of the barbell and put your palms of your hands together and fingers flared out, not necessarily gripping it with your fingers. And that's going to put less tension through the biceps as you press and more in your chest, okay? So we push with our palms together and we push our elbows tight as we push the weight up. See how I'm keeping my elbows tight on each rep as I push up? Elbows stay tight, elbows stay locked, and it's not a full range of motion. I'm coming down to my chest and then almost all the way up, but not all the way up, just to keep more tension on the chest. And I'm controlling the weight in my chest and instigating a solid mind to muscle connection in my chest. Also, you don't see, but this is connected to a landmine jack. So if you have a landmine jack, put the barbell in that, or otherwise just situate it in the corner of a barbell squat rack or something, and then the barbell won't move and you can just press up from there. So that's the landmine press. Alright, so here we have the one arm standing dumbbell fly. So this is one of my favorite pectus specialized exercises for really targeting your inner chest fibers and building the muscle up around the pectus indentation. So it's unilateral, so it's one arm at a time, and what we do is we hold a dumbbell. I'm using 12 kilos normally, and I'm bringing my weight across the midline of my body. So the chest has two functions, pressing and adducting, which is adding weight to the midline of the body. So you bring that weight across your body and you squeeze all the muscle fibers in your chest, and it's all about mind to muscle connection here and time under tension, and we're trying to build a really solid amount of blood in the chest and getting that pump. And squeeze with your elbows through as you come through and just rep it out and feel the pump and feel your chest grow, baby. It's such a good exercise. I love it. Enjoy.